We have our honey here, some carrots, green beans, chopped onion, cabbage, which is the star of the show, boiled eggs, or baked beans. You can substitute with baked beans and it is marvelous as well. Beetroot, and of course, mayonnaise. So let's go. This is going to be real quick. And we're going to add some vinegar as well. This is just plain white vinegar. So I'll now proceed to blanch the green beans and the onions just because they taste better and the texture is a lot better when they're slightly cooked. So very simple, hot boiling water here and some here as well. So I'll just cover that for roughly 3 minutes and then strain. All right. So this has blanched. I will just strain out the water now and then we'll proceed. Okay, so I dropped my honey in here the other time because it was overfilled. I put so much, so it was spilling everywhere. So basically, we just add everything else. So it's just a pour and mix kind of situation here. So just the cabbage, no particular order, just pour everything in there. Plain and simple. Life is not hard. So if you have baked beans, you can also substitute for egg or even add it with the egg. If you have cucumbers, you can add that as well. So yeah, just mix that. So now I'll add my vinegar, pour that onto it. That's about enough. If you have black pepper, you can sprinkle some black pepper on it. But basically, I don't always have black pepper. I mean, you can't just have everything all the time, can you? So yeah, mix it together. That is it. You have just made yourself a delicious, yummy coleslaw 2.0. So that's it. Just mix, combine, and you're done.